forward controls design. It is a HSM hand stop. All right, this bad boy comes in 3 different colors currently that we have. FDE, which you see set up currently on this on this rifle. And then we also have a black, which looks real smooth, and my personal favorite color, ODG, which looks real nice as well. So a little bit on this hand stop. So the design was actually completed in 2019. COVID-19 happened, and there were some logistics issues with material, all that, as well as this was originally a modular setup. So what that meant was you would be able to configure it in a hand stop like this or a full length vertical grip if you wanted to. The problem with that was, though, it was quite costly to make. So after the COVID-19 thing happened, it went through some revisions, and FCD decided that they wanted to create something that was a little bit more friendly for pricing and not as expensive as the modular setup. So now you can get the hand stop or the vertical as standalone pieces, no longer as a modular set. So kind of just cool little piece there. This little guy has some cool features to it. 10-degree slant. It is made to run it either in the configuration that I have it, which I prefer because of this lip down here at the bottom. It actually gives you a really, really good purchase and really locks that hand in there. Just a personal preference thing, but you can also flip this around the other way. Let's say like this, and run it with that 10-degree forward slant, like a lot of people do like to do with other hand stops. So versatility there. The groove that you see right there, the purpose of that was to give the fingers a place to kind of rest the fingertips, but it's not as prominent with this shorter hand stop, but utilizing the full length one, you're going to get a lot more there. So that was the purpose of that. You have in 6 different positions the serrations, which offer a really good amount of grip up and down, even forward and back. You're getting really good grip. So in that longer configuration, it's going to be pretty useful as well. Not as useful per se when we're talking about the hand stop. Now the height of this thing, it is only 1.1 inches tall. The width, as you will notice, it's a little girthy. It's 1 1/4 inch, 1.25. And what you will notice, and some people will kind of complain about, but it's by design, is that it is longer than the mounting surface of the M-Lok itself. So ultimately you end up with a little bit of overhang. But again, that was by design. FCD kind of made the argument of like, yeah, we could make it smaller or we could make it bigger and have far more useful surface in order to get a really good grip or purchase of. And I honestly agree. This as a much smaller piece might not be as comfortable. I really like the size that they've utilized on this current rendition. So real nice, coloring's real nice. I'm a big fan of FCD stuff, so I'm excited to see it come out. But right now, like I said, 3 colors, real nice aluminum piece. And yeah, jump on the website, check it out. We've got a lot more FCD stuff in right now. This is just the one that I chose to talk about today.